Steroids are naturally present in the human body as steroid hormones. Steroids are produced in the cortex of the adrenal gland and are also known as cortisone or corticosteroids. They are involved in the various physiological processes such as inflammation, stress, and immune response. Steroids reduce inflammation via suppression of the immune response. They also inhibit DNA synthesis and disrupt the transcription of inflammatory genes. Steroid medicines are man-made, which are similar to the natural steroid hormones. Steroid medicines can be given orally or applied topically, and also administered as intramuscular or intravenous injections. As steroids can help in the reduction of severe inflammation, some are recommended for the treatment of critical COVID-19 patients. Dexamethasone, hydrocortisone, or prednisone are steroids that can be given orally or intravenously to severe COVID-19 patients. Steroids can save the patient's life in an emergency such as persistent fever, breathing difficulty, or worsening cough. The potent anti-inflammatory effect of steroids can prevent lung injury and multi-system organ failure in severe COVID-19 patients. However, steroid medication should not be more than 7 to 10 days. Also, steroid dosage should lower down gradually and then finally stopped if the condition of the patient doesn't improve. Special precautions are needed for the COVID-19 patients with diabetes. Steroids cause severe immune suppression, and so clinicians should also be alert for secondary infections like mucormycosis. Other side effects include indigestion, weight gain, insomnia, anxiety, irritation, mood change, and high blood sugar. More importantly, steroids should not be used in non-severe COVID-19 patients and always used with caution under the supervision of a doctor.